Hey there, today we're going to do a quick video on a new function in Microsoft Excel 365 called the take function. We're going to use it along with a couple other functions to give you kind of a practical understanding of how it would work. So if you're ready, here we go. So we have this table of data here. We want to take, say we just want to take 10 rows. We want to take all the information in the table. So we're going to say equal sign, take, tab. The array is going to be the table. So we're going to click here, Control Shift, right arrow, Control Shift, down arrow, comma, and then the number of rows we want to take. In this case, let's say we want the first 10 rows, and then we want all the columns. So we're just leave that, close, boom. So we get the first 10 rows. Now let's say we wanted all of it. Then we would just leave it blank here, put another comma in there, enter, it takes the whole thing. So the question is, well, why you just copy and paste? Yeah, that's actually true. So what this would work better as is something where you want to be able to sort by a certain key in here and then take maybe a selected piece of information. So let's say to do that, we can use the sort function. So we say equal sign take, then sort, then the array is the same. So click here, Control Shift, right arrow, Control Shift, down arrow, back up. Now the sort index is the column number, starting with A, the column number that you want to sort by. So let's say we want to sort by weight. So it's column F. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, column 6. Column 6. And then sort order. So if you want ascending, meaning smallest to largest, you say 1. In this case, we want to see who the heaviest guy is first. So it's -1. Then we're going to close that. Okay, so now we're back to the take function, so the array. So the number of rows we want, let's say we want 10 rows, and then close, boom. So now we have this sorted by weight, the first 10 people. So now let's say, but now we see it can only take, if you wanted to know the player name sorted by weight, but you only wanted the name and the position, then you could add in the XLOOKUP function. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this so that we're only going to take the first column, and then we're going to add in columns, one column, and that's that. So now if we want only let's say we just want the player's position, then we're going to use XLOOKUP. So equals XLOOKUP, and lookup value is going to be the player's name. Lookup array is going to be column A, Control Shift down, and then the return array is going to be position. So we're going to go here, Control Shift down, close parentheses, boom, and we copy that down. There you go. So now we've searched for the person sorted by weight, and then we are able to pull their position in. It's not a glamorous function. It's not something, I mean, you can do this a number of different ways, but it is something that's simple. It's basic. You don't have to go to too much. You don't have to learn too many different formulas and all that other stuff to make it work. So of course, with Excel, there's always a million different ways to skin a cat, but this is something that's new that may be helpful for simple stuff, smaller pieces of data, etc. It's got its kind of niche. If you enjoy the content, please hit the subscribe button. Feel free to make a comment. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate any comments that you have to make. Please understand that yes, there is a million different ways to do certain things in Excel, and this is just one way. It's a new function, so it's hopefully something you can add to your tool belt. Might be useful, might be not. Also in the comments box, if you want to comment on items that you'd like to see, certain concepts, if there's other content you'd like me to produce, please, by all means, let me know in the comments, and we'll see what we can do. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around the corner.